Hello, fabulous people. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to take some time and kind of do a PSA. I think I have proof that the government and these tech companies have turned our devices into direct energy weapons. Okay, it's finally off. Now let's try the data. And look at these numbers. This is how I got to my conclusion about the direct energy weapons here. Let me read this. This is the National Library of Medicine. The National Library of Medicine. Microwave radio frequencies, 5G, 6G, graphene, nanomaterials. Now, graphene oxide, that's the stuff in graphite that they're using in all this weaponry and all this technology, this nanotechnology. Technologies used in neurological warfare. Okay? Scientific literature with no conflicts of interest shows that even below the limits defined by the International Commission of Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection, microwaves from telecommunication technology cause numerous health effects: neurological, oxidative stress, carcinogenicity, deoxyribonucleic acid and immune system damage, electrohypersensitivity. The majority of these biological effects of non-thermal microwave radiation have been known since the 1970s. So, it goes on to say, results. Since their emergence, the authorities have deployed and encouraged the use of wireless technologies. And what did Trump say when he got into office? And Biden said it too. They wanted to spread 5G across the country. Did anybody vote for that? I know I didn't. I like living in the country, and I like living away from towers, cell phone towers, and all this garbage. I like that. So why? What's the push to get 5G everywhere when the citizens aren't requesting 5G everywhere? I think I know why. 2G, 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi, WiMAX, DECT, Bluetooth, cell phone towers, masts, base stations, small cells, etc., in full awareness of their harmful effects on the health. So they've been encouraging and deploying this stuff even though they're aware of harmful effects on health. And it's just like the AI, because we're seeing all these terrible consequences on children's health, even suicide, from AI, and they're pushing that down our throats too. Consequences of microwave radiation from communication networks are comparable to the effects of low-power directed energy microwave weapons, whose objectives include behavioral modification through neurological targeting. And Lieber won an award for its engineering and or behavioral technology. Okay, so this is both. Above 20 gigahertz, 5G behaves like an unconventional chemical weapon. Biomedical engineering via graphene-based nanomaterials. And I talk about this graphene oxide. It's in our food, it's in the air, it's probably in the water. Graphene-based nanomaterials. Okay, and this is what Lieber's working with. Will enable brain-computer connections. Lieber was the inspiration for Elon Musk's Neuralink. Brain-computer connections linked wirelessly to the Internet of Everything through 5G and 6G networks by 2030. I have a feeling it's going to be sooner, you guys. And because, I'm telling you, these devices are already here. They're already up and running. They're already poisoning us. But I guess everything. They plan on having everything. They're just going to completely radiate us. I don't understand, guys. So, will enable brain-computer connections linked wirelessly to the Internet of Everything through 5G and 6G networks 2030. And artificial intelligence, gradually leading to human-machine fusion, cyborg, before the 2050s. This is the conclusion. Despite reports and statements from the authorities presenting the constant deployment of new wireless communication technologies as well as medical research into nanomaterials as society's ideal future, in-depth research into these scientific fields shows, above all, an objective link to the current cognitive war. It could be hypothesized that, in the future, this aim will correspond to the control of humanity by machines. If you look into Lieber's patents, his accomplishments, his contributions, you will see that there are nano materials, there are injectable, like robots, there is injectable brain mesh that they are currently using. They are using this graphene oxide technology, and they are using direct weaponry. So please, everybody, go buy an EMF reader and EMF everything, starting with your children's cell phone. These are direct energy weapons. My cell phone is a direct energy weapon that's been poisoning me for years, and I don't want any children to have to go through what I've been going through. Now, thank God, He brought me here so I can help myself and I can help all of you. Buy an EMF reader. Buy a decent one. EMF your kids' devices, your TVs, everything. Be safe. I love you. God bless you. Please share. Bye.